In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page number in WPS Office. Page numbers are helpful in many documents, but there are times when you may need to remove them, especially when finalizing a layout or adjusting sections. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple and effective way to remove page numbers directly from your document using the header options in WPS Office. This method gives you control over whether you remove page numbers from a single page or from the entire document. To begin, locate the page number you want to remove. Double-click inside the header area where the page number is located. This action activates the header and allows you to access page number settings. Once the header is active, you will see the page number options appear at the top of the screen. Next, click Remove Page Number. After clicking it, open the drop-down menu. You will now see several removal options, which are especially useful if your document is divided into sections. These options allow you to decide exactly how the page numbers should be removed based on your document structure. If you select Current Page, the page number will be removed only from the page you are currently viewing. This is useful if you want to keep page numbers in other sections of the document while removing them from a specific page, such as a title page or cover page. If you choose Entire Document, all page numbers will be removed from every page in the document. This option is ideal if you no longer need page numbers at all and want a clean, consistent layout throughout the file. There are also other options available in the menu that can be used when working with section-based documents, giving you more flexibility depending on your formatting needs. For this tutorial, select Entire Document to remove all page numbers at once. Once the page numbers are removed, double-click anywhere inside the main body of the document to exit the header area. This returns you to normal editing mode so you can continue working on your content without distraction. After completing these steps, take a moment to scroll through your document and confirm that the page numbers have been removed as expected. This quick check helps ensure that your formatting changes were applied correctly. Using this method makes it easy to manage page numbers, whether you are editing a short document or working with multiple sections. With just a few clicks, you can keep your document looking clean and properly formatted. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.